Hello guys, welcome back to another video of We Do Tech. So in today's video, we are going to be replacing the home button on this iPhone 5s. So let's begin. First, we are going to remove the two pentlobe screws connecting the screen and the back shell. Alright guys, the screws are removed. Now we are going to put our suction cup and try to pull out the screen by putting a picking tool. Alright guys, now the screen is removed. Now we are going to disconnect the home button connector. Alright guys, the connector removed. Now we are into the phone. Now we are going to remove the plate, steel plate, under which there are three connectors of the LCD. So first we are going to remove the plate and then we are going to disconnect all the three connectors. Alright guys, the screws are removed and now we have removed the plate. Now we are going to disconnect the connector. Alright guys, the screen is now free and now we are going to put the back shell aside. Now we are going to take out the old home button and install a new one. So let's do it. First we are going to open the two screws which are holding the metal plate. Alright, the plate is removed and the home button is also removed. This is our old home button and now this is our replacement home button. So let's put it in and now do the same thing, put the metal plate back again and screw it up. Alright guys, now make sure that the home button is clicky. Now we are going to bring in our back. Now connect the screen. Guys, make sure to do a test run before completely packing it up so that it makes sure that your phone is working. Alright guys, the phone is working. Now we are going to put the plates back again and pack everything up. Alright guys, now we are going to put the battery plate back again and it's done. Now we are going to connect the connector of the home button. Guys, this is the most difficult part as the connector is so difficult to reach, but it can be done. Alright, it's connected. The screen back. Make sure that it's perfect from all sides, not from inside. Right, it clips back in now. And just making sure. Now we are going to put the two pendulum screws back. the screws are in. So this was it guys. Today we replaced the home button on this iPhone 5s. Thank you guys for watching.